What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the top 5 futuristic launches for 2020. But I'm going to link every app in this video right in the description, so let's get into it. So coming up with on number 1, we have futuristic launcher, which looks really neat. You can change the colors. I personally am going to be using probably green in all of these videos because, well, that looks very neat. Okay, so swiping on from the left, you get your app icons. Well, I really hate these icons because they really take my app icons and then they put them in these circles and then they make them really small, which really irritates me a lot, and it's really laggy. I mean, I'm not sure if you can tell through the video, but it's really laggy. I hate that. But swiping from the right, you get a pure music tab, which I really appreciate. Looks really neat, and you also get your date right there. You also get a weather tab kind of here. I love this. It's really amazing, really futuristic like kind of launcher. You get your battery there. If it's charging, it shows you right here on the bottom. You also get some app widgets right here. Tapping on the app section, it literally loads you to the other side. You also have your current date and time as well. I really love this. So that will be it for the first. Coming in on number 2, we have ultra modern launcher, which looks, well, it kind of has the same design as the first one, I do not want to lie, and well, this one has some kind of different aspect to it. I probably guess I'm gonna switch it on to green mode. So it has this neat charging widget right here, which I like. It shows if your battery is charging, a few toggles right here, a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and whatnot. I'm not sure if oh yeah, you can actually press on the icons directly and it will take you to that add settings shortcut. We have a separate music tab, really neat. Music up art right there, which looks really neat. You also have a weather tab, shows you the full weekly weather, which I very much love. Minimum temperature and the maximum that you might be getting for that day. Neat. But I really hate these toggles right here. The music, weather, home, they look, well, it doesn't look like a very good phone. I mean, I don't have to be told that you're swiping to a music tab. I would just appreciate just swiping to that other side. And you also get a music app section, which is kind of neat. I don't want to lie, it's not laggy like the last one. I really appreciate everything they really did. Them put some work into this. All the app, okay. Oh yeah, you can also change the apps if the launcher cannot find specific apps in your phone like mine. You can just go ahead, replace the widgets. You can spend a lot of time customizing, changing every app here on the desktop side. You can also add background and hidden apps. Animation style as well, you can change that. Animation is stopped. So that will be it for number. Coming in at number 3, we have high-tech launches. So this was one of my favorite designs. It looks very neat. If you look on the first row here on the red line, you get your total memory, which is 3.5 gig. I have used 3.5 gig as well. Don't look at that. Battery capacity 3000 milliamp hours, which is not actually true. My phone is a 2600 milliamp hour battery, but hey, who cares. You also get a music widget right there. It has been moved from the side, so swiping from the right, you only get your app section. A little bit laggy, I would say, but hey, it's okay, it's working. Swiping from the left, you don't get anything. You also get your apps here by swiping to the right. Oh yeah, and you also have your phone messages settings and your email section. You have your camera apps, some pretty neat widget shortcuts here. I'm guessing you can replace, yes, you can replace the icons. You have your weather right there. You can actually change the city. It has the same sort of like UI as the last one, but this one is on a whole new level. I really appreciate every work that went into this launcher. Every app, guys, will be in the description, and if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you drop that like. Coming in at number 4, we have Javis launcher. I really didn't like this launcher that much, but I thought some of you might be interested. This one has a little bit of a static feel to it. No moving parts or any moving icons. It's really still, it looks like a picture in my opinion, but most of you guys might be able to like this. We have, oh, it does have a few sounds to it, pretty neat, and shows you all your installed applications. I'm not sure if it is, oh yeah, it has uninstall open properties right there, kind of like a desktop feel. I really love. Okay, we do have does it move? Okay, so we have the RAM here and the power, but unfortunately it's not even showing anything. and we have our RAM function here. Pre-in needs, I really didn't see this option, but unfortunately it cannot read your external SD card. I'm gonna have to dig deep into this application and see what's going on. But anyways, this is the Javis launcher. Nothing really much to it, no other pages or tabs or anything, just this. So let's go over to the last but not least launcher. And at number 5 we have Javis launcher. So this is like the improved version of the previous app that you saw. You can probably check a little bit of a static feel, but still it really brings that very amazing lifelike tech like phone right on your Samsung Galaxy device or whichever phone you are going to be using. Your signal bar, which I really appreciate, energy level, battery, and you also have your time there in front as long as the date 28th of July 2020, which I don't want to lie, it looks really neat. Scrolling from the right side, you actually get your weather here, which I personally love. Just that I don't have data, so I cannot actually get the proper feel of this widget. Swiping on from the left, you actually get your internal storage, CPU usage, as well as RAM usage. So these themes don't actually consume a lot of RAM or anything like that, but they work really neat. Tapping on here, there are some here at the bottom. Typing on the app section, it looks like the last launcher, but it actually loads icons faster, and I don't want to lie, this one is not as laggy as the previous one. I really appreciate this a lot. You can also press the Javis here to rate the app, launch, or anything, remove aids, which I'm guessing you are going to have to pay for that. You also have your phone dialer, of course, over here. Everything is pretty working. Everything is kind of neat. I really hate that we didn't actually get a music widget. I really appreciate the music widget and the weather and everything like that, but this one kind of has that, stock feeling. Nothing very fancy. But anyways guys, that will be it for my top 5 launches, tech launches for 2020. Comment down below if you want to see another launcher rating where I'll be testing out different launchers. I actually spent time into downloading these and actually getting time to actually see what they do and how unique these apps are. Hopefully the next one will be pretty better. We are trying to get a new mic, guys. If you didn't know already, I'm trying to buy a new microphone by the end of next year. We might get of this year, unfortunately. Okay, by the end of this year we might get a new microphone. I'm also doing an A-Lab giveaway at 1000 subscribers, and I just wanted to thank everybody who's been liking, commenting, and subscribing and everything like that. It really means a lot to me. And come on, if you haven't already, press the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Let's get into it. I'm gonna be working on more videos. As you can probably tell, I have been uploading a lot, not really a lot of videos, but almost every 3 days. But anyways guys, that will be it for the top 5 launches. I'll catch you all in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.